Welcome back again to Playdays Collectibles channel from Whittier, California. And today, of course, is Wednesday, show and tell time, May the 6th, 2020. Got some goodies right here, guys. Let's check it out. Let's do some unboxing. Safety first. Remember, kids, adults, whoever's watching this video, be careful when you use sharp objects. You're not supposed to use anything if you're a young kid under 18. If you're over 25, 20 or 18, you could use this sharp object, but be careful. Right, let's see what's inside. Got the Led Zeppelin again, the Austin Mini. This is the whole set right here, everyone. Hauling gas, compact medic, highway hauler, and the super van. Alright, let's see. Highway hauler looks nice. I like it. All metal on the bottom, pretty heavy. Here we have Led Zeppelin, compact medic again. Got the Austin Mini, super van, beautiful paint job. Got the hauling gas and super van. And the hauling gas. I've been using these rims for bone shakers, guys, so they work pretty good. Just in case you ever want to customize or rinse up your bone shaker. Okay, you have another new case. So open that up. Safety first, like always. Be careful with sharp objects. Be careful, don't get cut, guys. Alright, let's see what's in here. More door slammers. I couldn't find them before at Walmart. Now I have so many. Look at this. 71 Porsche 911, 71 Porsche 510, Ford Escort RS 1600, BMW 2002, Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, this is okay. My friend's been using these rims on some customs. Put some on Porsches like these. They look better. Very good idea. 71 Porsche 911. 71 Porsche 911. More Escorts. BMW 2002. Alfa Romeo. Alfa Romeo 510 Datsun. And BMW 2002. Alright, what else do we find in here? Let's see if it's some money in here, maybe. Never know. Oh yeah, I like this one. This is nice. Wow. Aladdin Disneyland Deco Delivery. Nice rims. Very, very nice paint job. This is the whole set on the back. Super van. 59 Cadillac Funny Car. Custom GMC panel van. Dream van. XGW. Deco Delivery. Beautiful paint job, guys. Here we have the 59 Cadillac Funny Car. Nightmare Before Christmas. Awesome. Ooh, yeah, I like these rims. See those rims? Look good on imports and Porsches and some Lamborghinis. GMC panel van, the Lion King. Nice paint jobs. Looks like it got airbrushed. Here we have Deco Delivery, 59 Cadillac Funny Car, super van, Beauty and the Beast. Who doesn't like Beauty and the Beast? Here we have Dream Van XGW Mulan. Alright, let's continue. It's a big box. Hopefully some super size Hot Wheels. Alright, check it out. Safety first. And I don't recommend opening boxes with a razor blade with one hand. Unless you're a cowboy. Oh, we got some more of these goodies again. Star Wars Chewbacca. Look at that. 4x4. The Force is with you. It's Luke Skywalker, Darth Vader, R2-D2, and Yoda. That's the whole set, guys. Check it out. Pretty cool. Yoda. Nice cars. This is Luke Skywalker again. 2 of them. Darth Vader. Just to let you guys know, these are not at the store, okay? This is like an older case. That. And RTD2. Pretty cool. Let's see what else. Hopefully it's some food for lunch. Oh, it's the same thing, guys. Let's see. Yep, Star Wars. Alright. 99A. So it's the same thing as Star Wars, guys. I won't open it. It'll be boring for you guys. Alright, let's see. It's a tall box. This right here says, do not place on shelf prior to May 1st, 2016. Well, I don't know the bottom language. That's probably Canadian, maybe. I don't know. All right, let's see. 4 years later, I guess we're allowed to put them out. All right, wow, looks pretty cool. So Ghostbusters, Ecto 1, Ecto 2, motorcycle, awesome piece. Wow, these are older. That's all there is in here, guys. Nothing else. And it looks like the boxes are the same. There's Ghostbusters Ecto 1 and Ecto 2, guys. So I wasn't about to open them. I don't want to bore you guys. Well, there's the pile, guys. Thank you for checking in on this some unboxing. Keep safe out there. If you live in California, keep hydrated. Drink some water. Lots of water. And or ice cream too is allowed. And keep your pets cool too, right? So safety first, keep healthy, safety gloves, my mask, and promote Hot Wheels, guys. Alright, well, have a nice day, everyone. And take care. Safety first. Adios.